Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home and taking precautions from COVID. So, last day we have discussed about the journey of Ibn Battuta, which was very dangerous and hazardous. So, Battuta, who traveled from Multan to Delhi, he traveled many parts. According to Battuta, it took 40 days from Multan to Delhi and it took 50 days from Sindh to Delhi. So, according to him, person can come back in 10 days from Gwalior to Delhi. Okay. So, our next topic is traveling was insecure. Yes, in the time of Batuta, traveling was so much insecure. Once he was looted by the band of robbers as well. He was severely wounded. Many of his companions lost lives. So it was really dangerous traveling on that time. Okay, so next topic is when he returned when he returned to his place Morocco, the local ruler issued instructions that his stories be recorded, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी फेमस हो चुका था और उसने मोरक्को का प्राइड काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ा दिया था. सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज फ्रांसो बर्नियर. There were many Portuguese travelers, like we have Jesse Roberto Nobili, Dorate Barbosa. They were the great travelers actually. If we talk about Jean Baptiste traveler who was a jeweler, among the most Portuguese writers, Duarte Barbosa, who wrote a detailed account on trade and society. In South India. I will talk about Tavernier. So Tavernier, who traveled to India at least 6 times. He was particularly fascinated with the trading condition in India, like Barbosa, trading conditions. And he compared same conditions to Iran and Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire was also under the Mughal rulers. So, students, our next topic is comparing East and West, India with Europe. So, Bernier, he dedicated his major writing to Louis XVI, the King of France. In virtually every example, Bernier described what he saw India as a bleak situation in comparison to development of यूरोप. हमेशा ही वो उसकी आदत थी, वो चीज़ों को कंपेयर करता था. बट हिज असेसमेंट वाज नॉट ऑलवेज करेक्ट, but his works were published. Bernier writer became extremely popular. जब उसका काम पब्लिश हुआ, he was extremely popular that time. He works in France in 1670-71 and translated into English, Dutch, German and Italian. Within the next 5 years, between 1670 and 1725, his account was reprinted 8 times in French, and by 1684 3 times in English. So students, we have covered here Ibn Battuta, his journey, Al-Bruni and many Portuguese travelers. Students, we will do tomorrow Al-Bruni and the Sanskritic tradition. Thank you student. God bless you.